Good morning, Scratch Kitchen. How are y'all doing? We are going to talk about a prepper pantry. I have what would be called a working pantry, which means I use stuff in it, then I replenish them. Now, there are questions about whether or not you can store pre-canned foods, factory canned. This is your red gold crushed tomatoes. These were on sale when I got them. They were almost $2 a can. When they're not on sale, there's no way I'm going to pay that. But if they're on sale, 10 for 10, you bet I'm going to grab them. Lids like this will hold up. These lids and these lids will hold up. This is actually my lovely canning, my pork canning. Yes, pork canning, 3 little pigs, all in jars. You will see that video Friday. Now, these lids are becoming way too common for my liking. Yes, they're easy to open with a zero tab, kind of like the tabs you see on a soda. Now, here's the difference between that lid and this lid. See this here? This little circle around here? When you open this, you break this seal in here. If you have a can like that in the pantry, get it out and kind of feel like right here, you will notice a line there. But as you pull this back, that breaks a seal. Now, from what I understand, these will not hold up for a long period of time. This you could store probably 2 years past the best used by date, which is not expiration date. Now, if you're going to use metal cans to store stuff in, you need to make sure they are no BPA liner inside. Now, it used to be Save-A-Lot was the only place that did that, but now they all do it. So, and I strongly recommend, if you want to buy these, buy them. You can get them seasoned, not seasoned, whatever. It is cheaper than trying to acquire a property to grow enough tomatoes to do this with. Now, your home canned, I'm always going to favor my home canned stuff, because I know what's in here. Porky and water, and that's it. I did not put any seasonings in it. What you doing, sweetie? Oh, okay. Like I said, I did not put any seasonings in this. That way I can shred this up, use this in fried rice. I could use it in a soup or a stew, or I could use it as pulled pork. The option is there when you do that with any kind of meat. Now, I also take advantage of 10 for 10 sales, and when I was doing these sales Thursday, I even recommended take advantage of it. If you can get stuff 10 for 10, as long as you got the room in your budget to do it, do it. Oh my God. Just understand that these cans need to be used up quickly. Because the longer they sit with that seal, the more risk they are of breaking eventually. Actually, Linda from Linda's Pantry did a canning session. She used a thing called ThermFlow, in which she made. It was cream of chicken and mushroom soup. She made right from home. She has the basis for it in a soup, in a jar, and she just gotta add the cream. How much easier can it get? I will see you guys later, and I'm gonna give you a link to Jamie from Guildbrook Farm. She is fantastic. She goes through your house. She sets her pantry up. how to start a 3-week pantry and just build it up. This does not happen overnight. It takes time. This is why take advantage of 10% sales while we still have them, while it's still an option. I will see you guys later.